Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you're doing well. We got some nice grass-fed spring lamb chops here in a Jalfrezi curry sauce with eggplant and potatoes. By the way, this container here is a handmade ceramic pot, which is excellent. We're going to put a lid on it, put it in the oven, simmer it for a few hours, let it kind of really break down and cook. And I'll show you, inshallah, what it looks like when it's done, and I'll serve it over some organic, non-GMO basmati rice. Now we're gonna open the lid. Look at that, looks wonderful. The eggplant looks nice and ready. The meat has really gotten juicy, and the potatoes are nice and ready. Look at that. I love cooking in ceramic pots. Really great. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. The rice is nice and fluffed. Organic, non-GMO, white basmati rice. Looking perfect. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah, it came out great. The eggplant stewed really well with the potatoes and the meat. Coming off the bone, nice and ready. The marrow is definitely something that adds flavor to the sauce as it cooks. By the way, this is a Jalfrezi curry sauce, so it's like a sweet red pepper and tomato curry. Served next to some basmati rice. Looking good. Bon appetit!